What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave and this is Hudson Moto Visuals. On this channel we do moto vlogs, some gear review, bike reviews, and some photography. If that's something you like, please hit that subscribe button. But today we are by beautiful Hudson County Park over here in Secaucus, New Jersey. And we got this nice mountain view here, and nice open field, soccer fields. It's beautiful. We got the river right there. Yeah, it's a nice little park. But today I want to talk to you about what rides I want to do this year in 2021. You know, I'm very fortunate enough that I have a motorcycle and I get to see these cool places, and you know, I do have a bucket list of places I want to go, and you know, some of them are far, some of them are near, some of them are you got to stay a couple days, but I really want to do some of the rides. So let's get on the bike and we'll talk about them. All right. Alright, we're on the bike here. Beautiful day. Nice beautiful day in January. High of 45. Gotta take out the bike. So, you know. So, there are a couple rides that I want to do. And I didn't get to do a lot last year. You know, this whole pandemic. But I did go a few places, and so I start to think, once I put the bike away for a little bit, wow, it's beautiful right there. I was like thinking about where I wanted to go when the riding season hits. You know, in northeast New Jersey, you know, we get about maybe from April to about October, maybe a little more, a little less. You get good 7 solid months of just riding. And it goes quick sometimes. It really does. I've been riding since 2012, so you know, each season goes by and I'm just like, I didn't get to go here, I didn't get to go there. So this year I really want to try to get to some of these places, and you know, they're in no particular order, but you know, I really feel like I really need to hit these places up this year at least. So first on the list, and I've been talking to my good friend Jose and my brother-in-law Byron, and we really were thinking about it. We want to hit up right in the beginning of the season, maybe April, late April or early May. That we want to go to Skyline Drive in Virginia. And you know, all the things I've looked up, it looks beautiful. You know, it's a good from here. It's probably a good 5-6 hour ride, and we were thinking about maybe we should, you know, stay over tonight, make it like a 3-day weekend, and the 3-day weekend, you know, maybe make it a long weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Jump down there in the afternoon, we'll ride, and then, you know, we'll basically ride there on a Friday, and we'll have all day Saturday to ride, you know, Skyline Drive, explore, you know, get lost on these bikes. So that's one of them, you know, and you know, it is a little farther ride. I usually say to myself, if it's a good, you know, 4 or 5 hours away, it's better off if we just stay somewhere and, you know, explore, to get a whole day of exploring, you know. So the second place I would like to go and explore is the Catskill Mountains. And the Catskill Mountains are basically an hour and a half away from where I live. Take the thruway up. It's right there. Not too bad. But yeah, I forgot what the website was called, but they gave me a map of the Catskills, and there are 3 motorcycle routes that people planned out, and all the spots you should see, all the things that are cool to see there. And yeah, I really wanted to do that ride too, you know. I would really like to see that in the fall, but you know, anytime we go, it doesn't really matter. I'm pretty sure it's beautiful up there, and I can't complain about, you know, if it's all green instead of all the colors of the fall. So that's another ride I would really like to do. Another ride is going up to Lake George. I've never been up to Lake George either, and actually that's another hour away from Albany, and you know, it's a one straight shot up the thruway, and it shouldn't be too bad. But that's another place I really want to explore and maybe stay a couple days. You know, it always looks beautiful. I know they run a rally up there, Americade. Maybe we'll go during Americade, maybe not. You know, for me, I'm a type of person, I really don't like big crowds. It's just not for me. You know, I mean, I would just experience it once, maybe go to Americade and just experience it once, and then that's it, and then go off, you know, do other times. So, but yeah, Lake George would be really nice, and you know, have a little fun on the bikes, explore the area. I'm pretty sure they have beautiful roads up there. And another trip I would like to do is Niagara Falls. You know, going up to Buffalo. Now, you know, I know the border is closed to go into Canada, which really sucks, but it is what it is. But, you know, I mean, to see the beautiful Niagara Falls on the U.S. side is just as nice as the Canada side, so I can't complain with that. I've been there a couple times, and I really like the place, so I would really like to go back up there on the bike and see the Niagara Falls. I could probably do that in a day. Just hit the road and hit it hard and come back. But you know, I mean, I'm out of most of the people I ride with, you know, they do have big comfortable bikes like I do. But you know, the ones I ride with like every day, and which is Jose mostly and Byron, you know, they have bikes too, but they're not as big and comfortable as this one. I mean, this beast just eats up miles, so that's something that we would have to figure out and say to ourselves, all right, we have to stay over there and explore that. But that should be fun too. I mean, there's other places I'd like to do. I know it's in Pennsylvania. It's like the Grand Canyon of the East Coast, and that's another place. You know, so many places in the good old US of A that you could just take this bike and just go. And, you know, right now it is a little hard to do all these things, but you know what, at the end of the day, I mean, I bought this bike to do those, not just to sit in my garage and collect dust. So we gotta get out there, use these bikes, you know. So, you know, those four, well, those were 5 places I named, but the 4 I really want to try to get done this year, you know. Oh, and also moto camping, you know, it's a little different experience, so I'd like to do that too, but that's more of, you know, going to find a campsite, you know, and just hang out for a few days and, you know, go camping. It's not really not being on the bikes and exploring the area. But yeah, I mean, at least those four I named, I really want to do. Like, I'm set on doing those, and I want to do them this year. So, you know, they're not as far as other places, you know. Like, I still want to do Daytona Bike Week. I like to do Sturgis one time in my life. You know, the Tail of the Dragon I really wanted to do. Like, all those things are a little farther, and those need more planning than anything. So, you know, right now, you know, we're still in this pandemic. Also, my daughter's very young. She's going to be turning 1 this month. So, you know, it's hard to leave the family for more than 3 days, you know, and sometimes, you know, you have to take a little sacrifice. And so there you have it, guys. That's today's video. A little short video just explaining what rides I want to do this year. And, you know, anyone that knows me or follows me or knows anything about those places, leave them in the comments below. Any good tips and tricks, or if you just want to join me, you know, I don't discriminate no matter what you ride. You know, you can ride a sport bike, you can ride a standard, you can ride a Royal Enfield, you can ride a Sucker Punch Sally, you can do anything. I don't really care, as long as you got a motor and 2 wheels and you enjoy just being on the road. Hey, why not? Come with me. So, there you have it, guys. Have a great day. Hope you're enjoying this somewhat beautiful weather. Get out on those bikes. Have a little fun. I'll talk to you in the next one.
Oh, hey, what's going on, guys? You made it to the end of the video, but it's not over. I know you want to. Just click this video right here. Right. If not, just subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.